Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. I did a video, I've done 3 now, this is the 4th one and the last one, on the zoom the other day with the mouse wheel and everything. But I've got my zoom set real low, so I'm scrolling on my wheel, but I've got it set really low. But if I want to move faster, I can hold down the shift and the control button. And look at that. I mean, okay, this is one click of the mouse wheel. I'm going to go back one click. This is without holding anything down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, bunch of click. But if I hold down the shift and the control button, I go real fast. Well, you can set that. You probably shouldn't have it set as low as I have to zoom in. I'm constantly zooming. But if you'll go to Tools, Options, CorelDraw, and go to Display, right here, you can change your control shift to 100%. I'm going to set mine on about 15. And if you can't scroll there, you can type. So now let's see if it's there, because I actually hit enter and not the. Yeah, it stayed there. So I didn't hit OK. So now when I zoom, it's okay. This is one mouse wheel click up, one mouse wheel click down. Now if I hold down the shift and the control, one click up, look at that. Look how much it moved in one click. So you could go way in or way out just by holding down the shift. I should put these together. So the shift and the control button, which ironically is right on top of each other. So if you hold down these 2 keys, so I'm moving my mouse wheel, but this time I'm going to hold down those keys. I'm just going to move it one click. And it moved it that far in one click. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.